Git version management. Description Git is a distributed version control system used for tracking changes in source code during software development. Key concepts. Repository. Description: a storage location for software packages. It contains the history of changes and the current state of the project. Commit. Description: a snapshot of changes made to the repository. It includes a message describing the changes. Branch. Description: a parallel version of the repository. Branches allow for separate development work streams. Merge. Description combines changes from different branches into a single branch. Remote. Description: a version of the repository hosted on the internet or network. Common remote repositories include GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Clone. Description creates a local copy of a remote repository. Pull. Description fetches and integrates changes from a remote repository to a local repository. Push. Description uploads local repository changes to a remote repository. Commands. Git init. Description initializes a new Git repository. Usage: Git init. Git clone. Description clones a remote repository to a local directory. Usage: Git clone repository URL. Git status. Description displays the state of the working directory and staging area. Usage: Git status. Git add. Description adds changes in the working directory to the staging area. Usage: Git add file or directory. Git commit. Description records changes to the repository with a descriptive message. Usage: Git commit message. Git pull. Description fetches and integrates changes from a remote repository. Usage: Git pull. Git push. Description uploads local changes to a remote repository. Usage: Git push. Git branch. Description lists, creates, or deletes branches. Usage: Git branch name. Git checkout. Description switches to a different branch or commit. Usage: Git checkout branch commit. Git merge. Description merges a branch into the current branch. Usage: Git merge branch name. Git log. Description displays the commit history. Usage: Git log. Git diff. Description shows changes between commits. Commit and working directory. etc. Usage: Git diff options commit. Git a base. Description reapplies commits on top of another base step. Usage: Git rebase branch. Workflows. Feature branch workflow. Description: a workflow where each new feature is developed in its own branch. Merged into the main branch after completion. Steps. Create a new branch Git checkout B feature branch. Work on the feature and commit changes Git add. Git commit add new feature. Push the feature branch to the remote repository Git push U origin feature branch. Create a pull request for code review and merge. Git flow workflow. Description: a branching model with defined roles for different branches, including feature, develop, release, and master branches. Branches. Master contains production-ready code. Develop integration branch for features. Feature branches of develop to work on new features. Release prepares a new production release. Hotfix quick fixes for production code. Steps. Create a feature branch from develop Git checkout B feature branch develop. Develop the feature and commit changes Git add. Git commit develop feature. Merge the feature branch into develop Git checkout develop Git merge feature branch. Create a release branch from develop Git checkout B release branch develop. Prepare the release and merge into master Git checkout master Git merge release branch. Create a hotfix branch from master for urgent fixes Git checkout B hotfix branch master. Apply the hotfix and merge into master and develop Git checkout master Git merge hotfix branch. Git checkout develop Git merge hotfix branch. Best practices. Write clear and concise commit messages. Commit frequently with small, manageable changes. Use branches to isolate work on new features or bug fixes. Regularly pull changes from the remote repository to stay updated. Review and test code before merging to the main branch. Keep the main branch in a deployable state. Use tags to mark important releases or milestones.